Hi everyone, and welcome along to the 13th of December. Now the 13th of December is a specifically significant day in the Swedish calendar because it is Saint Lucia Day, and there is a Saint Lucia crown worn on this day, and that's what we're going to paint today. So grab your paints and let's get started. So for this crown we need a sort of oval, a very flattened oval, which is going to have a candle at the front. So we'll just do two upright lines, then another candle at the front, then one at the side, and then there is a sort of dome in the middle because it's being worn as a hat. Ooh, bit of a wonky dome. There's a candle at the top, and then two at the back, which we'll only see a little bit of. And amazingly, this is worn on someone's head, so we might just sort of, we might see a little bit of that, but we're going to have a bit of, sort of foliage, and then there's sort of foliage, and little wicks. So we'll do a little head of some hair. So there we are. Okay, and I'm going to just lightly rub this out. Now the Santa Lucia, beg your pardon, Santa Lucia crown is a Swedish tradition that on the 13th of December they have Saint Lucia Day, or Lucia Day. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And what I'm just doing with a clean wet brush, what I'm going to do, a bit like this one here, is we're going to create the glow of the candles before we do anything else. So just nice wet brush, clean wet brush, and we'll get a little bit of yellow. And this was this suggestion was given to me by one of my patrons, but also I have a personal connection to this because we grew up living next door to a Swedish English family, and one year on the 13th of December they invited us to their local Santa Lucia Day celebration, and we saw this very thing, and it was absolutely magical. So it's a real pleasure to be painting this, but we're going to just let that all dry at the top, and in the meantime I'm going to make some nice green tones because we're going to do some holly and berries. So I'm just looking for different shades of green as per usual, using the browns, the blues, the yellows and the greens. And I've been reading up, and the tradition originates from a legend about Saint Lucy, who wore a candlelit crown to light her way, bringing food to Christians hiding in Roman catacombs, allowing her to keep her hands free. So that's pretty cool, very, very industrious. But yeah, I love learning about these new traditions. I keep on saying new traditions, you know what I mean. They're new to me and maybe new to some of you, so I hope you're learning and enjoying yourself along the way. Okay, I've got some nice colours now. And using my smallest brush, just going to sort of not paint specific leaves, but just lots of dabs of colour. Different colours here and there. And what I'll do is I'll leave little white gaps so that later on I can Now I've got a really dilute mix of a tiny bit of blue and some brown to make our grey shadowy colour that I'm going to use very faintly just on the edges of the candles. And you can see just how little you need. Just a very, very faint colour. If your lines feel a bit harsh, you can give them a little bit of a soften, but I quite like it. And now I'm going to just put a little bit of yellow and the red together, make a kind of peachy tone, and whatever skin tone you want to put into your person, you can just sort of lighten it or darken it with a little bit of extra pigment or water, depending on what you want. And I'm going to go for this, just a little bit of colour. And then we're going to let that dry, and then we can put in the hair. But what we can do whilst we're waiting for that is do the flames of the candle, and it's fun if we can put in a little bit of metallic each time. I'm just starting with the brush and just flicking it upwards. And we'll let that dry. So I've just added a bit more brown to this mix, and just going to paint in some hair. Get some slightly more concentrated colour. And some eyebrows. And then we need a little bit of a very dark, sort of browny blacky colour. Just to paint in the little wicks. I love the candle glow when we do the advent calendar, because it's something I don't do a lot of the rest of the year in terms of painting, so yeah, it's lovely how many times it pops up. Okay, there we go. That is our December the 13th St. Lucia crown, worn in Sweden, and I think that's rather lovely and really fun to learn about a new element of Christmas. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for the 14th of December.